Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing a LookFrantastic limited edition beauty box. If that sounds interesting and you want to see what's inside, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, LookFrantastic is an online beauty retailer from the UK. In addition to offering just regular beauty items for purchase, they offer a monthly beauty box subscription. They also periodically have limited edition beauty boxes on offer. Some are brand takeovers, some like this one are mixed and they're done for around special occasions and holidays. This particular limited edition box is called the Teen Fantastic Edition, and it's $50, although currently it is on sale for $35. They claim it's worth over $180, so let's take a look and see, because the last limited edition box I received didn't meet its claimed value, so let's see if this one's any better. As always with the LookFrantastic, they've got the great boxes and they always have a saying inside, and this one says, "All the best heroes are ordinary people who do extraordinary things." Well, if that's not something we learned in 2020, I don't know what is. So, and again, everything is really nicely packaged, and I do include an insert that tells you everything that is included, along with the price of that they claim it is. And of course, I've gone out and done my research to compare. So let's see what we got and what we think. First item is from Wander Beauty, and it is the Dive-In Moisturizer. Say it is enriched with pentavitin, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. This is a full-size 50 milliliter, retails for $36. Next, from First Aid Beauty, we have Facial Radiance Pads. You've seen these, of course, before. This is 28 pads. It retails for $17. Next, from Slip, this is a Slip Silk Thin Scrunchie. This one's in rose gold. If you've never used these before, they are fantastic scrunchies for putting your hair up. Because they're made of silk, you don't end up with that, ponytail crimp in your hair. And they're also really good if you want to put your hair up to sleep. Like I have trouble with my hair now that it's longer, that, with sleeping, but I can put it up in one of these, and then when I take it down in the morning, I don't have that crimp. Or, maybe I put it up during the day and I want to take it down to film, and I don't have a big ponytail crimp in it. So they have full-size ones, and these minis, they are really, really good. So if you haven't tried them, I highly, highly recommend them. They are sold in packs of 2, 3, and 6. Based on the price of a 2-pack, a single has a value of $7.50. Next, from Philip B. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. This is Weightless Volumizing Conditioner. It's a hydrating detangler. An ultralight detangler that zeroes in on damaged areas, adding featherweight moisture to keep fine hair smooth, healthy, and gleaming. There are several sizes available at retail. This is the 60 milliliter, retails for $16. Guess who? I'm here with giveaway number 24. Can you believe 24? Okay, let's run through everything that's included in today's giveaway. This is a big one. Then we'll get to the rules and I'll get you back to your video. And this one's starting out a little different than the others. Don't worry, we will still have a makeup bag and some sheet masks. But first we have a basket from Mia Melange, and from Teamy. This is a Teamy tumbler on the go. And then for, of course, makeup bags, we have this lovely cranberry, sort of velvety one, as well as a Your Magic drawstring bag. Now for masks, I got quite a few this time. We have the pink milk mask from Duft & Doft. From SF Glow, the Glam in Paradise 3-piece mask collection. From 111 Skin, a rose gold brightening face mask. And from Wilma Schumann, these are hydrating collagen eye pads. And keeping with our skincare, from Murad, this is the nutrient charged water gel. From Dr. Brandt, pore purifying cleanser. From Byron, New York, tomato serum. From Grown Alchemist, detox night cream. From Earth Harbor, glow juice. From First Aid Beauty, ultra repair oil control moisturizer. From Generation Clay, this is Urban Defense purifying pink clay mask. From Symbiosis London, tightening and resplendent eye mask. And from Charlotte Tilbury, this is the deluxe sample of the Magic Night Cream. From Christoph Robin, we have the Perfect Hair Duo. This is a detox scrub and a repair mask. From Riza Be Obsessed, this is Love My Leave-In. From Lime Crime, this is Unicorn Hair in the shade Bunny. And from Invisibobble, we have a set of 3 Invisibobbles, little hair ties. And moving into makeup, from Lancome, we have the Lancome Defense Seals Mascara. And from Clinique, this is the High Impact Mascara. From Jean Bleu, this is the Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner. From Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter in the shade Keep It Rio. From Fenty Beauty, this is Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade One of the Boys. From Lancome, this is the Color Design Lipstick in the shade Natural Beauty. This doesn't have a box because it came in their holiday set. And from Charlotte Tilbury, and there's quite a few Charlotte Tilbury products in this box, so if you've been wanting to try Charlotte Tilbury, this is the box you want. This is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Charlotte Darling. From the KISSING Fallen from the Lipstick Tree, which is her cream lipstick formula. This is a full size of Stoned Rose. All of these products, the Charlotte Tilbury products, are full size unless I say otherwise. That is Stoned Rose. I wanted you guys to be able to try some of my favorite brands. Also Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Collagen Lip Bath, which is like a plumping lip gloss, and this is in the shade Peachy Plump. And this is the travel size or deluxe sample of her, it's Lip Cheat, which is her lip liner, and this is in the shade Walk of No Shame. And now from Ofra, we have a blush in the shade Blush Rose. And from NARS, this is the NARS Studio 54 Hustle Cheek Palette. And look at the packaging on this. I wanted to keep it just for the packaging because it's stunning. But unfortunately, the colors just don't work for me. So there's these shades in that. And now moving on to eyes from ColourPop. This is a Super Shock Shadow in the shade Set to Stun. Again from Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Color Chameleon, which is the eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Pearl. Now for eyeshadow palettes, from Illamasqua, this is the Unveiled Artistry Palette. Inside packaging. Some lovely, lovely shades in this. I actually received 2 of them, which is why it is in here. Some great neutrals and then some great pops of colors. So the only thing I don't like about that one is the color of the packaging, but the shades themselves are very, very pretty. Like I said, I received 2 of them, so kept one for myself and one for you. From Charlotte Tilbury, this is one of her eyeshadow quads. This is her Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops. Again, this is full size. This is the packaging. And there is the quad. These pops tend to be ones that you will use just as the pop of color, like when you'll put a pop of color in the center of your eyelid or something. This is not a palette that you would use necessarily on its own. You certainly could, but these are her special shades, although she does give directions in the back where you could do a full look in these, but these palette of pops tend to be the ones that have her special, like, celestial shimmery shades. And next from Ofra, this is the Black Friday. I'm not gonna be able to see it because it's very reflective. This was the Black Friday palette. This was available only in the Black Friday mystery bags, and I managed to get hold of 2 of them. So one of them's for you. I'm not going to open it because it is sealed. If you want to know what it looks like, I'll put a link to my Black Friday mystery bag video so you can see what it looks like. It's very neutral, cool toned palette. Very cool. And again, because I wanted you to be able to try some of my favorites, this is Pat McGrath Labs. This is her Eye Ecstasy eyeshadow palette in Subversive. Again, I'm not going to open it because it is sealed with all these fun spangles in there, but hopefully you can see the colors in that. Here they are on the back as well. So that is eyeshadow, and then of course we have to have brushes. So from Real Techniques, these are the Everyday Essentials. And from Motor Pro, the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I'm gonna have to play Jenga to get that to fit back in the box, but I'll make it work. Okay, let's run through the rules real quick. They will also be down below, the exception of today's mystery word or phrase, which you'll only get from watching the video. So here we go. You must have a US shipping address, must be age 18 or over, must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions on public. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. Okay, leave a comment that includes the word enter, and since this one was full of a lot of one of my favorite brands, Charlotte Tilbury, tell us your favorite makeup brand. If you could only choose one makeup brand to use for all of 2021, what would it be? Yeah. And make sure you include the word enter somewhere in there so that the comment picker can find you. If you have Instagram or Twitter, of course, please leave me your Instagram or Twitter name in your comment or at the end of your comment, so I have a way of contacting you besides just responding to your comment here on YouTube in case the notifications get a little flaky. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you feel comfortable leaving me another way to get in touch with you, like your email, that's great, but you do not have to. If you don't leave me a second way to get in touch with you, just make sure that you remember to come back and check the comment section of this video after the giveaway closes. You can give it a couple hours and then check there just in case the notifications didn't go out, so that you don't miss out, because you will only have 48 hours. Once I ship the box, I am no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner the tracking number once it ships. These are shipping in batches since I do have giveaways closing every day, and we are trying to stay socially distanced and not leave the house every day. So probably 1 or 2 batches will, ship out all at once. They were supposed to come and pick them up at my house, and that hasn't happened so far. So since they're not picking up, we're gonna have to take them down there ourselves. Anyway, this giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube, any of the brands that I've mentioned, or any of the brands in the main video, whichever one this ends up attached to. All items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or were received in subscription boxes, advent calendars, mystery boxes, things like that, that were purchased with my own money. Nothing was gifted, donated, or sponsored. I will leave this giveaway open until January 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to me after I notify them, or I will choose another winner. Back to your video in progress. From Illamasqua, this is Antimatter Lipstick. See, it's a long-lasting, color-intense lipstick with a semi-matte cushion finish. There are 29 shades available in the Antimatter lipstick. I'm not sure how many were available in the boxes, but they do say that the color can vary. I received the shade Turntable, which is no longer available on the Illamasqua website, but the retails on these are $26, and that is the shade. It's very dark, but it's a really cool shade. And last, from Snow Fox Skincare, this is Herbal Youth Oil, a silky, lightweight, anti-aging facial oil made from an antioxidant-rich 7-blend oil formula, further fortified with astragalus root extract and Brazilian paragrass known as nature's Botox, which may help slow the metabolic and physical signs of aging on a cellular level and release microtensions in the face, thus smoothing out fine lines and preventing new ones from forming. This is a 30 milliliter full size, and the retail on this is $82. So we got, well, the Wonder Beauty was full size. The First Aid Beauty, this is a retail product. The Slip Skinny Scrunchie is actually, they don't sell singles, so that's the only thing that was not a full-size product in here. They claimed a value of over $180. I calculate $184.50, so I'm pretty happy with it. Leave any comments you have down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.